Members of the Diplomatic Corps, Business House and tourism industry representatives, the representatives of government, members of the public and supporters of Fijian art, artists and artisans, ladies and gentlemen, warm greetings to you all. It is my pleasure to join you this evening to open the 2023 iteration of the Born from Fire, a prestigious exhibition of three-dimensional art created by Fijian artists and craftspeople at studios here in Fiji. It is equally wonderful to see world-class art being locally explored, made and appreciated. Showcasing these finished pieces in exhibition in Fijian homes, business, resorts, restaurants, utilizing them as gifts and on public display around our beautiful islands as well as abroad is commendable. This latest Born from Fire exhibition is called Return to the Flames, an apt theme as this is a reflection of recent times when, for reasons all too familiar for us in Fiji and around the world. Similarly, the majority of artists who are unable to operate in their studios work with their teams and staff whole exhibition or even produce work at all. For this reason, both Alice Hill of Hot Glass Fiji and Shane Power of Imagination in Metal were thrilled to be able to return to the flames of their studios and workshops and to get back the furnace and the blowtorch to create all these new and wonderful pieces that are being exhibited in this beautiful space at the iconic Grand Pacific Hotel at the very heart of Suva. Last year, prior to attending the Commonwealth Games, I called on King Charles III, then still Prince Charles, and presented His Majesty a gift from the people of Fiji made by our very own Hot Glass of Fiji, a glass tanoa that was green in color, signifying forest and conservation, a common interest that we share and advocate. I am of the hope that the piece will symbolize the authenticity, uniqueness of our islands, our people, our art, our commitment to conservation, as well as invoking memories of Talanoa around the tanoa, as it is an important aspect of life in the Pacific. Ladies and gentlemen, in Fiji, art and culture are deeply entrenched in our lives and is at the epicenter of who we are. We are proud of our traditional arts, crafts and skills that have been handed down through generations. Crafts such as weaving, masi making, tapa printing, and of course, traditional wood carving is reflected in the impressive tanoas we can see here, carved by Mr. Philemon Koto of Fulanga, a proud home of this ancient craft. As you see today, these tanoas on display, while traditional in structure, are rather contemporary and expressive in presentation, which are an artistic evolution of these skills. As our tradition evolved, this fusion of old and new materials, techniques, and inspirations are important. It is through this creativity that we are able to nurture and protect our traditional skills and arts and crafts while remaining attractive and unique for the market. In using them in a contemporary way, inspiring artists, techniques, and materials by combining them with other materials, such as the hand-blown glass and handwork material, our artists can create new work alongside our existing traditions that will reflect our nation, its natural beauty, our culture, and the contemporary art that can be enjoyed by people all over the world who, when they see these pieces, think of Fiji. I'm greatly honored to visit this exhibition and to see on display some of the art that is being created across Fiji. Not just the studios of Alice and Shane Bauer or the workshop of guest artists Lambert Ho and Philemon Kato, but in other studios and workshops and in homes and villages around the country. Those few words, it is my pleasure to formally open the Born from Fire exhibition 2023, Return to the Flames. May God bless us all and may God bless Fiji.